Genius is not limited just to card-present transactions. Genius Checkout is available as an e-commerce solution that allows merchants to accept payments on their existing website. In this module, we will take a deep dive of Omni-commerce, review Genius omnichannel features, including cross-channel tokenization, the TSYS Vault, and Card Account Updater, introduce Genius Checkout, and introduce risk management with Count. Omni-commerce is a multi-channel approach to sales that seeks to provide our merchants' customers with a seamless shopping experience, whether they're shopping online from a desktop or mobile device, by telephone, or in a brick-and-mortar store. So why is omni-commerce important? First off, customers expect their shopping experience to be cohesive and connected. A well-orchestrated omni-channel marketing strategy can dramatically increase a merchant's customer experience ratings and drive additional revenue. As you've already learned, the Vault is a key component to selling Genius. It is what helps tie a merchant's entire portfolio together to allow for the omni-commerce experience because transactions are tokenized and stored in the Vault. It allows their customers to experience scenarios such as buy in line, return in store, buy in one store, return in another, as well as countless other scenarios customers experience, all in a secure manner. The TSYS Vault enables secure transactions by producing and storing tokens across the Genius platform. Let's also revisit Card Account Updater. For merchants who have frequent repeat sales or offer subscription services, they rely on the ability to charge an existing customer's card. While the Vault allows this to happen in a secure fashion, Card Account Updater is an elective add-on that will ensure the cards the merchant have on file are up to date. Meaning, if a card expired or was reissued due to theft or lost wallet, Card Account Updater will automatically update the token in the Vault to the new card number. Transactions will not decline, customers do not need to worry about contacting the merchant with a new card number. It's a huge benefit to both merchants and their customers. Next, let's take a look at Genius Checkout, a product that helps ISVs and merchants compete in the market. Genius Checkout is a robust, feature-rich shopping cart plugin that integrates with a merchant's existing website and allows them to accept payments online. Customers never leave the merchant's site. In fact, Genius Checkout uses a screen scrape to capture the card information the customer entered into the shopping cart's payment field. It easily integrates with merchant's website. They can modify colors, fonts, things like that to match the look and feel. With the TSYS Vault, Omnichannel is enabled. Checkout, just like all the other Genius solutions we've talked about, is safe and secure because it encrypts all data and does not pass any sensitive data to the point-of-sale system. TSYS has also leveraged third parties to enhance the checkout solution for our merchants. Genius Checkout is ideal for partners and ISVs who have a strong retail presence but are interested in investing in an e-commerce offering. Also, when they have a strong online presence but need a robust fraud management solution to supplement their existing offering, and have a retail and online presence but want a unified solution for both channels. Merchant benefits: an affordable, easy-to-use, seamless shopping cart solution. It is designed for merchants looking to integrate with a single payment processing solution for both e-commerce and retail stores. Merchants will gain access to consolidated reporting for all their customer-facing point of sales, whether it is online or in-store. Having an e-commerce and brick-and-mortar store with Genius provides the ability to purchase something online and return in-store. The seamless customer experience keeps a consistent look and feel. And Genius Checkout keeps the point of sale out of PA/DSS scope, as all sensitive data is passed directly from consumer client browser directly to TSYS. This means less work for the partner and reduced headaches for the merchant during the SAQ. There are some key benefits to our partners who certify to Genius Checkout. enables partner to improve omni-channel payment offering, seamless integration to all Genius products, expands their product offering to a larger merchant base, and fully integrated fraud management offering with Count, which requires no additional effort to access Count's API. Here are some of the top benefits to developers and integrators. Next, let's take a look at how the TSYS partnership with Count can help e-commerce transactions become more secure. Count is a third-party company who helps us offer our merchants additional fraud detection tools through Genius Checkout. Did you know that in 2018 there was $6.3 billion in card-not-present fraud losses? That's a staggering statistic that we want to help our merchants avoid being a part of. The main premise behind how Count can help our merchants is that it helps to prevent fraudulent transactions. Count does this by using patented multi-layer device fingerprinting. It is uniquely identifying the device that is being used by the customer. Does the IP address location correlate to where the goods are being shipped to? Is it coming through a proxy? Is it being rerouted? What all of this is doing is collecting hundreds of pieces of data and metadata about the customer's device, which feeds Count's real-time scoring analytics and rules engine. Device data is combined with transactional data to determine the validity of that transaction. What this means is that Count's technology will help determine if that transaction is potentially fraudulent or not. There are two options available, which are integrated to the Genius Checkout solution and can be integrated into a merchant's order management system. There's a fully customized version called Count Enterprise, and our standard accept reject offering, which is called Count Standard. We mentioned a slide ago that device data and transactional data are combined to detect if the sale is fraudulent or not. Count is using all of this data and information and assigning that specific sale a score. With the enterprise version, Count will work directly with the merchant to determine what scores are automatically accepted approved, what scores are automatically declined or denied, and what scores will be held in what's called a manual review state, which means the merchant can review that specific transaction and determine if it should be approved or declined. This version of Count is ideal for top-tier merchants. Count is a leader in the space. An advantage to working with them is that they are continually analyzing all of the data going through their systems to continually improve their offering. Count is part of the Genius Checkout API, so the primary integration is complete, but there may need to be some additional customization with the enterprise version. Count Standard is geared towards small to medium-sized merchants. Merchants will get access to an accept-deny risk decision tool. This differs from Enterprise because Count will use its industry knowledge to predetermine what scores lead to approvals or declines. The merchant is not able to customize this, nor is there a review stage. Just like Enterprise, Count is using all of the data that comes through their system to continually improve their offering. No additional integration work is needed with Count Standard. We want to help our merchants prevent fraudulent transactions from going through. This is why we have partnered with Count, a leader in this space, to help our merchants achieve that goal. This is a snapshot of how Genius Checkout compares to other e-commerce offerings in the industry. When a sales representative sets up a new Genius merchant for a specific ISV, they will select the applicable Genius solutions on the Genius Platform Agreement. Please remember to reference the Genius Platform Agreement training module and user guide for additional details.